Today we talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Roblox app. All you have to do in the first, you just go down, click on more down here. When you click here on more, then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you just scrolling down here until you will find, sorry, you will find here settings. Just click on settings. Then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on privacy and content restrictions. So then you just waiting to open with you here, and then you click here on communications here. So then it's going to show for you list like this. You click here on experience chat, and here can you select who can text or chat with an experienced server if you want to add everyone or no one here. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.